Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about how to make money on YouTube. As you may already know, YouTube has become a popular platform for content creators to monetize their videos and earn a living. In this video, I'll be sharing some tips and strategies on how you can make money on YouTube too. Tip number 1, create high-quality content. The first step to making money on YouTube is to create high-quality content that people want to watch. Your videos should be engaging, informative, and visually appealing. You should also try to stand out from the crowd by finding a unique niche or angle. Tip number 2, build an audience. Once you have great content, you need to build an audience. This means promoting your videos on social media, collaborating with other creators, and engaging with your viewers. You should also optimize your videos for search by using relevant keywords and tags. Tip number 3, join the YouTube Partner Program. To monetize your videos, you need to join the YouTube Partner Program. This program allows you to earn money from ads that are displayed on your videos. To qualify, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in the past 12 months. Tip number 4, explore other monetization options. In addition to ads, there are other ways to monetize your videos on YouTube. For example, you can sell merchandise or promote sponsored products. You can also create a Patreon account and ask your fans to support you directly. Tip number 5, be patient and persistent. Making money on YouTube takes time and effort. Don't expect to become a millionaire overnight. Instead, focus on creating great content, building your audience, and experimenting with different monetization strategies. With patience and persistence, you can build a successful career on YouTube. Conclusion. So there you have it, my tips and strategies for making money on YouTube. Remember, the key is to create great content, build your audience, and explore different monetization options. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you enjoy my videos, please consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads.